suck my dick. Put that away, dude. Oh, where'd you get that sick ass white tee at?
Yo, what's up? It's Mikey Tyra, man. And I'm about to build a new bike here at Cult. Yo, what's up, man? It's Mikey Tyra and I'm a hamburglar. Yo, what's up, man? It's Mikey Tyra and here we're at Volvo Industries to test out the new rides. Let's go. Hey, what's up, man? It's Mikey Tyra here and today I'm giving you a tour through Minutemen. Only by Minutemen, protected by Minutemen security systems. Let's go.
I mean, not frame, but what size?
20.75. Is that weird for like me? Like,
no, that's like the appropriate.
Yeah. Okay.
What you checking out there?
Hey.
Hey, what's up, guy?
Sexy fucking pink mobile right here, dude.
My fingers hurt from building that bike. I built 3 of them.
I like my ladies the same way I like my frames.
Oh. What size bars are you running?
Dak bars? All black parts on it or what? See, I need like a whole bike, really. Cause I still have all my Primo parts on that one.
Totally.
Yo. I think I'm running regular ones. What, 32?
Cool. Yep. Yeah.
Remember when I got those one forks and opened them up when I got home and they're 18-inch forks?
Yeah, that's classic.
So really, color-wise, everything I would want black. 70s.
Cool.
You should get pink tires, Mikey.
I think
Let's do this Dak combo.
Strong,
The 1-inch joint.
the strong
The
boy.
other ball.
So you oversized.
Just clamping area.
I don't know if am I riding a 25 tooth? I think I am.
Damn, these are high quality ass posters, man.
Damn, what are these ones? Fuck with these. I'll go for some black ones too.
Yeah.
AKs?
Yeah, those will look nice with the frame. Yeah.
What you got there?
Some dope ass striped shirt. I don't know what it's called, so this is probably not gonna work out well. What is this called?
It's a striped shirt.
It's a Cult striped shirt. It's fresh as fuck though.
It's a striped shirt.
Striped like these new.
Put some parts in the bag. Throw it in the bag.
Come on, Alfredo.
Mind control.
That's the Ligma control.
Whoa. Christian channel. It's a Christian channel. Look, I even came up on some socks. All right.
Yee.
Thanks, G. Appreciate you.
Oh, could you grab that shit?
Nah, man. Can't shit.
Come on, you fucking dingaloid.
You got your shit?
Yeah.
You too, brother. Take it easy, man. Thank you.
Nice seeing you, dude.
You got your bike on the roof? Now you're about to have a bike in the trunk.
What are you gonna do with this? Leave it here?
Break it down.
So we triple teamed on them.
But fuck that shit. There's a trying to kill me.
Back in Orange County, we left the Cult Clubhouse. Now we're in Fullerton to go visit my homegirl Susie so that this mop gets fixed. And my hair needs a little bit of toning. So we're going over yonder.
Salon Lujan?
Lujan.
I said Luan.
Lujan. Way to go.
Hey!
He's cut off.
Sup? I'm back.
Hi!
How's it going?
Nice to meet you, boyfriend.
She's jealous.
I am, low-key. Hi. You sit here.
Me?
Yeah.
Me sit there?
We'll give you a nice little haircut and make it have a style. So,
He has no style.
water, coffee, wine?
I got a big water over here.
Okay.
Thank you though.
Okay.
Alfredo Mancuso.
I wonder what that is. And the hair reveal. Oh wow. You see the other way? Look at you, beautiful. Meanwhile, I don't know what's going on up there, but we're working on it.
Not personally, not personally.
Too late, it's already in there.
Dude, they're
It's
sagging!
recording.
What the heck?
What the?
Look at this.
Ah,
What she did to me.
looks good.
I like
Okay,
it.
just Venmo me 40. Love you. That's not the real price, guys. He owes me later.
What did they just do? They built a spot, huh?
It's a little roller to a quarter, it looks like.
Let's go look at it. It is literally right down the street from the store. That's tight. They used to have like a pretty cool hip there, and I guess they removed it. I don't know if it was the city or them, but they built a new spot, and we're gonna go check it out because they're shredding. How long do you think it's gonna last? That
I know where
shit
they
is
got
crazy.
the cement.
I think they're construction workers. You just have to go sideways.
Yo!
This is tight. I don't want to interrupt their session, but we're gonna come back and front flip it or do some shit on it. New whip? To match the new whip? Yo, we need a picture in front of it once you build it though. All right, boys, got the fight all streamed up. Nate Richter's right here. It's gonna be Gustafsson versus Smith. That shit's gonna be crazy. Remember when we watched Jones? Both of the guys lost against Jones are about to fight each other. And they're about to go ape shit on each other. Okay, so basically this is what I have to go through in order to download these fights. And yes, ethically speaking, I am stealing because I'm not paying the UFC, ESPN, everybody involved. But the way I look at it is that I don't really have television anymore. I don't want to have to buy DirecTV and have to do all these things and pay for a pay-per-view when I can stream it on the internet. And yeah, I'm risking giving aids to my computer here. And obviously it's not in full quality. I could have gone to a bar and then paid like a $20 cover and then had to drink alcohol and all this other stuff. But I want to do it from the comfort of my own home, or my office in this case. So I'm doing this. But hey, more viewership. I actually do support the fighters. I will go to the fights. I've been to the UFC. I did go to the Conor McGregor fight. So, you know, it's not like I'm not supporting these guys. And by me being, you know, tweeting about it and putting it on social media, you guys at home can download these fights, pay for them legally or not, and the viewership goes up. So that's my 2 cents. But yeah, right now, I'm not worried so much.
Mark Goddard.
So, bitches. Alright, so apparently I got hours of footage of you building this bike, so now I want to see what the end result is like because I didn't see the other stuff.
Excuse me.
Snapchat, a phone, stuff like that, down with cameras, yeah.
It's a fucking Savage Turbo going by, so you can't hear shit. But yeah, I got a new whip. It looks sick as fuck. AK frame. Majority of the parts are Dak parts. I got the Dak sprocket, Dak stem, Dak bars, 8.75. I didn't cut them at all, but you know, this bitch is fresh. Listen to this too. This is how you tell if a bike is really dialed or not. You don't hear any like jingly noises like a chain or nothing. That means your shit's on point. It has to sound like a basketball.
Give it to me one more time. Not bad.
You already know the on some shit pegs.
Chain.
Cult chain.
Pedals.
Cult Dak pedals.
Sprocket.
Dak sprocket.
There you go. Seat.
I don't know. Cold seat. Sick ass cold seat. I don't know half these parts, but yeah. We're gonna do a more detailed bike check, but for now this is just a quick rundown, and this bike is crispy as fuck. I'm stoked.
Shirt.
You already know. Stop capping.
Oh, whose bike is that? Is that Tyra'S or is that the one that we have?
Tyra'S.
Not bad, eh? Oh, another one! Did you steal a bike or what?
Yeah, stolen.
How come you're not riding?
Well, a couple months ago I tore my ACL and I'm getting surgery, so I can't really ride.
Your surgery?
This Monday.
Well, you got a well-wish Mr. Abdullah here, so go to Abdullah's and have him speedy recovery and all that good stuff. You should. You nervous?
A little nervous, yeah. I've never been under before, so.
You ready to go ride? Surgery guy.
I'll hold it down at the floor.
Steroid guy. Run. Let me see one more time.
Oh, you need the guns?
Oh. What's up, big flexer? Flexing. All right, let's go put it around. Did you see my whip?
It's good.
Okay, well I can't beat you, but if I could. Oh wait, you can ride the spot?
The wheel's brand new.
Look at the new spot they built.
Alfredo, it's super sketchy.
It's bad?
Flings you so high.
You already did it?
I jumped.
Jump it once. Jump it once. Let's see the fling. Oh, flinger.
Not bad.
He could have done a double bar right there. What the fuck? Oh, hell yeah. What's up, doggy? I got my baseball jersey on today, the Dodger blue. Cop this on the low. Your boy is about his savings, let me tell you.
After these cars, yeah.
Let's go ride Fairfax. It's better than on a Sunday.
I like that spot.
Whoop. What you got here? Over the hood?
Yeah.
You got one rep.
Oh no, he's good. He's good as hell.
You ready?
Go. I'm filming in 4K. Let's see what this is like. Somebody's complaining about the quality footage of my footage. So.
I'm not complaining. I just like my shit. It's my format. That set's big as fuck though. Why did I try that?
Not bad. It was me peeking in the background that made it happen. Was that crack? How do you say it? Pitudo?
Pitulo? Pitulo?
Just like that.
Thank you.
Learn something new every day.